To send a lift for someone else, start by opening the Lyft app on your device. Make sure you have the latest version of the app and a stable internet connection. Next, select the ride type you want to request for the other person, such as Lyft, Lyft XL, or Lux. Choose the option that best fits their needs and the number of passengers they will have. Now, enter the pickup location for the person you are requesting the ride for. You can do this by typing in the address or by selecting a location from your saved places. Make sure the location is accurate to ensure the driver can find them easily. After entering the pickup location, you will be asked to enter the drop-off location. Enter the address where the person wants to go, or select a saved location. Once you have entered both the pickup and drop-off locations, you will see an estimated fare for the ride. Review the fare to ensure it is within your budget and the other person is aware of the cost. Before requesting the ride, make sure the other person is aware of the pickup location and the estimated arrival time of the driver. You can share the ride details with them by selecting the Share Ride Details option. To request the ride, tap the Request Lyft button. The app will then match the other person with a nearby driver. You will receive updates on the status of the ride, including when the driver is on the way and when they arrive at the pickup location. It is a good idea to share the ride details with the other person, including the driver's name, license plate number, and estimated arrival time. This will help them identify the driver and ensure a smooth pickup. By following these steps, you can easily send a lift for someone else using the Lyft app. Remember to always review the fare and ride details before requesting the ride, and to keep the other person informed of the status of the ride.